Hello everyone, welcome back to my poke shipping explanation series. We've now reached the end of the Indigo League, focusing on the final tournament arc, which is filled with some truly grounding poke shipping moments. So let's dive in. We begin with All Fired Up, where our heroes arrive at the Indigo Plateau. Ash is confident and excited, which naturally makes Misty worry. After all, Ash hadn't trained properly during the 1 month break before the league, despite Misty repeatedly pointing it out. And let's be honest, it's not unusual for someone to worry about the immature habits of the person they care about. The episode then shifts to the torch ceremony. Brock and Misty explain that carrying the torch is a great honor, as the flame belongs to the legendary Pokemon Moltres. Ash expresses his desire to carry it, and the League officials grant his wish. He proudly carries the torch, but Team Rocket interrupts and steals it. Later, Ash gets another chance, this time sharing the honor with Misty and Brock, as all three carry Moltres flames to the league. Here's an important moment to notice. Ash runs into Gary and gets mocked, leaving him upset and unable to sleep. The next day at the stadium, his inner turmoil doesn't go unnoticed. Misty immediately senses something is wrong, though she chooses not to bring it up, knowing Ash must face it on his own. We even see that she herself can't sleep, aware of his restlessness. During the opening ceremony, Misty spots Ash in the crowd and notices his anxiety. Just as the central flame is about to be lit, Team Rocket once again tries to steal Moltres' fire. Ash steps forward alone to stop them and ends up cornered, seemingly about to be burned. At that moment, we hear Misty scream Ash's name, clearly terrified for his safety. This is the same girl who once couldn't stand him, and now she's the first to cry out for him, showing just how deep her care and affection run. Ash isn't harmed. Moltres protects him and defeats Team Rocket, and the episode ends by setting the stage for the upcoming battles. To sum up the poke shipping moments here, we see just how far Misty's feelings for Ash have grown. By this point, she's deeply in love, even if she hasn't realized it herself. Throughout the episode, her constant concern for Ash stands out, worrying when he's overly excited, sensing his unrest before the ceremony, and panicking when she thinks she's about to lose him to Moltres flames. Why did she react that way? Yes, Ash is her friend, but it's clearly more than that. He's someone incredibly precious and special to her. Now it's your turn. What do you think? I'll see you soon in the next video as we continue reviewing the remaining Indigo League episodes. Until then, keep smiling and keep poke shipping.